Today we are learning the U line dance. Now, I had the opportunity to learn this from the creators themselves in LA, and it is such a vibe. Now, I'm gonna break this up into 4 easy sections, and I promise by the end of it, you will have it. All right? Before we get into section 1, I wanna say thank you to this person for the super thanks. You are so generous, thank you so much. All right, let's get into section 1. So, I'm gonna face back here, so my right is your right, and my left is your. All right? The first section here, starting off nice and easy, you're gonna take your right leg, you're gonna tap twice in front, 1, 2, then twice behind, 3, 4. Okay? We've got 5, 6, 7, we said 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're gonna do single taps, single to the front, single to the back. Good, let's do that together. 5, 6, 7, we go forward twice, back twice, forward single, back single. Okay, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then from here, I'm gonna bring my foot in to go tap, to go out, in, out. Okay, so from that last tap here in the back, we'll bring our foot in, out, in, out. Okay, that time is going to go like this from the very top of this section. We said 1, 2, step 3, 4, single, 5, 6, then we go, and 7 and 8. Yeah? Kind of, sort of? Yeah? All right, one more time, straight through. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, we said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 and 8. Nice, that's section 1. Now moving on to section number 2. After we step out here, we're gonna cross our right foot in front of our left, cross 1, step out left, 2, then take your left leg, cross 3, step out 4. Then we're gonna do the same thing to go back, step right behind, step left, right. What did I just do? Again? So, we're stepping with that right leg first, it's out. You're gonna step right, left, right. That's the first 4 counts. Then we reverse that step using the right leg now. Right, left, right. Kind of, sort of. One more time. 5, 6, 7, we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And when you hear the song, there's a little bounce in it. You can groove however you want. I like to groove like this, little little rock in my body. Stop. But you can bounce how you want. You can do nice and chill too, okay? That is section 2. Let's connect section 1 and 2 together, nice and slow. Ready? From the top. 5, 6, 7, slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Section 2, cross 1, 2, 3, 4, back it up. 6, 7, 8. Yeah? Let's do that one more time, straight through faster. 5, 6, 7, we said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Cross 1, 2, 3, 4, back it up. 6, 7, 8. All right, let's go to section number 3. Section number 3, you're gonna step with the right leg forward. You're gonna do a triple step. You're gonna go right, left, right. Then you're gonna do a pivot turn, step on that left leg, turn towards your right shoulder to step onto that right. Now your back should be facing me, okay? One more time. So we're taking that right leg. I'm gonna step right, step left, and I'm turning, making sure I'm pivoting on my feet to turn, step. Okay, then I repeat the same thing, but I'm going to use the left leg now to go left, left. Then I'm going to turn towards my left shoulder. As I step the right leg forward, I pivot, turn, and my left leg goes back to where it was. What just happened? Again, so we said 5, 6, 7, 8. Go right, pivot to your right, left, pivot to your left. Yes? Okay, that is section 3, but I'm going to do it one more time to make sure you have it. Just to see from the side, that triple step, you're going ba, 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 turn, ba, 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 turn. Okay, let's connect that one more time. 5, 6, you should be seeing my back right now. 5, 6, 7, we said right, left, step left, right, step right, left. Nice. Let's connect section 1, 2, and 3 all together, nice and slow. 5, 6, section 1, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Section 2, go cross, step, back it up, step, 7, 8. Section 3, we go right, pivot to your right, left, pivot to your left. All right, let's do it straight through, then we move on to section 4. Here we go, 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Section 2, 2, 3, 4, back it up. 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we go hop, left, 7, 8. Good. Now to finish off this part, we're going to be doing a grapevine. You're going to step with your right leg first. I'm going to show you the hands for this part in a second, but you can step with the right leg first. You're going to step right, left, then left, right. And that's going to turn me to my left shoulder. Okay, one more time. So we finished on that left leg forward. I'm going to step with that right leg, turn to my left shoulder facing this wall. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the hands, when I turn, they're doing like this circle motion. You've probably seen this move somewhere before. You're going to take your hands, you feel like you're kind of grabbing the air. Boom, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, you can leave the hands up, or you could circle, 2, 3, drop them down, circle, 2, 3, drop them down. It looks like this. So when I go, I'm going to go circle, leave it up, circle, leave it up. Or I drop it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 6, 7, 8. Or I have my own vibe in between. 1, 2, 3, 4, boom, 6, 7, 8. Having a good time, all right? That is actually section 4 right there. So, connecting it one more time. Left leg's in front, we just finished that cha-cha. We go right, left, step left, right. That's the end of the dance. You continue from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, facing the new wall. Yes? All right, let's put it all together nice and slow from the very top. Here we go. 5, 6, section 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Section 2. Cross. 2, 3, 4, back it up. 6, 7, 8. Section 3. Step forward on the right. Right, pivot to your right, left, pivot to your left. Section 4, we hit our grapevine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we continue the dance, all right? Let's go straight through the whole entire dance now, no stopping. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, we said boom, boom. Doom, boom, and 7 and 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, back it up. 6, 7, 8. Go 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. New wall. 2, 3, 4 again. 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Go across. 2, 3, 4, back it up. 6, 7, 8, go cha-cha, step and a turn. Cha-cha, step and a turn, new wall. Your back's to me, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, go boom, boom. Doom, boom, boom, keep, ka, and cross. Hey, back it up. Hey, cha-cha, away, turn it out. Away, turn it out. Go grapevine to the right and grapevine one more time. Go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Go cross. 2, 3, 4. Back it up. 6, 7, 8. Go 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Go. We back here. We're back here. We're back here. 7. Stop. All right. Now it's time for you to try with the music. Just head over to this video right here, or YouTube thinks you want to learn this dance next. All right. Peace out until next time, y'all, and thank y'all so much for the love on these videos. I hope to continue doing this with y'all throughout the whole entire new year. Let's keep dancing.